So, what do you remember about scientific notation?
Pretty sure it's just where you divide two numbers that have 10 to the power of something. So they're basically bigger numbers, simplified, written in simpler form.
Okay. Do you remember anything about dividing scientific notation?
It's basically the opposite of multiplication. That's about it.
Okay. Well, from one of your previous quizzes that I pulled, this is one of the scientific notation problems that they gave us. I think it was Miss Brooks, maybe 2 semesters ago. And it's one that you missed. So we're going to go over this one if you want to. We're going to see if we can solve the right problem. So first what we'll do is we'll just set up the equation. 4.47 times 10 to the negative 1 divided by 2.0 times 10 to the negative 12. So for our first step, I guess you know what to do is we'll do our first part and we'll divide that. So we'll take our 4.47 or no problem 4.447. Sometimes I can't read my handwriting. Divided by 2.0, and that'll give us 2.22235. Got any questions or anything?
Yeah, what are we supposed to do with the tens? Or are we about to do that?
Okay, we'll get to that part.
Alright.
So, after this, I like to keep it all simple. So, since we have two problems in our thing right here, where it shows that we have the 2.0, so then we know that we should only have two numbers in our answer, right? I mean,
significant figures.
Yeah. So the 2 will make the 2 stay the same or go up or go
round it off.
Okay, so we'll go 2.2 there, and then we'll go to our tens, and we'll go 10 minus 1 minus negative 12, and the negative make the minus sign be a positive sign, so we'll go 10 minus 1 plus 12, and that would be 10 raised to the 11. So our answer would be 2.2 times 10 raised to 11. Very easy. We went over that. So do you think that you could solve one on your own, or
I think I'm ready now.
feel a little comfortable? Okay.
Yeah, now that I see what to do.
Well, I kind of figured you'd be ready, so I got you a little problem to go ahead and do.
You mind if I borrow your calculator?
Nope. Be my guess.
Alright, so first we divide the two numbers without the 10 in it. 5.341 divided by 2.5. And there we get 2.1364. And in this we have 4 significant figures, so we're going to have 4 in our answer, right?
Well, what was the simplest one? We'll have to go to the
Oh, that's right, the simplest one, yeah. So we have 2. So 2.1, because that's a 3, it stays at 1. What do we do now on the 10s again?
Okay, so on our tens, we'll put them as, we'll collect our similar terms. So we'll go 10 minus 2, and then we're going to subtract that. So we're going to go to the negative 6. So do you think you can get it from there?
Okay, yeah. Since we're dividing, you just subtract it. Alright, so we got 10, negative 2 minus a negative 6, so that's a plus. Negative 2 plus 6 is 4, so 10 to the 4 times 2.1. That's the answer?
That'll be the answer. So you think you'll be ready for your test?
I think I'm ready now.
Alrighty. Well, thank you for helping me, sir.
Alrighty.